Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of baking essentials and breaking down the top 5 best kitchen scales for baking that you can get right now. Whether you're a pro baker or just dabbling in cookies and cakes, having a reliable kitchen scale is a game changer. We'll go over features, performance, and value so you can make the best choice. As always, you can find links to these products in the description below. Let's jump right into it. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. The budget-friendly option for those who don't want to spend much, but still need a decent scale for their kitchen. Priced at just $9.99, this scale offers great value for money, making it perfect for beginners or casual bakers. It features a stainless steel platform for durability and an easy-to-read LCD display that shows measurements in pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters. With a maximum weight capacity of 11 pounds and a readout accuracy of 1 gram, it's versatile enough for most basic baking needs. The design is simple and functional, with a flat form factor that's easy to store. The tare button is a handy addition, allowing you to subtract the container's weight for precise measurements. Performance-wise, it's reliable for light to moderate use, but it may struggle with heavier or bulkier items due to its compact size. The inclusion of batteries is a thoughtful touch, so you can get started right out of the box. However, the plastic construction feels a bit flimsy compared to higher-end models. While the Amazon Basics scale isn't the most feature-packed or durable, it's hard to beat for the price. It's ideal for those who bake occasionally or are just starting to experiment with measuring ingredients. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and compact design. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like dual platforms or a pull-out display, and its build quality is average at best. If you're on a tight budget, though, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. This affordable yet highly functional scale is priced at $13.99 and offers a sleek design paired with excellent performance. The 304 stainless steel surface is both durable and easy to clean, which makes it a practical choice for busy kitchens. It supports 5 measurement units: grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces, and has a tare function, ensuring accurate readings whether you're measuring liquids or solids. The compact size is perfect for smaller kitchens, while the backlit LCD display provides clear and easy-to-read results. With a maximum weight capacity of 11 pounds and increments as precise as 1 gram, this scale is ideal for everyday baking and cooking. The performance is dependable, and it handles frequent use without any hiccups. However, its smaller platform can sometimes limit its usability with larger bowls or containers. Overall, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for budget-conscious bakers who want reliable measurements without breaking the bank. Pros include its sleek design, precise measurements, and easy maintenance. The cons? It's not as feature-rich as premium models, and the smaller platform might not suit everyone. But for under $15, it's hard to complain. Taking the 3rd spot is the KitchenAid KQ909 Dual Platform Digital Kitchen Scale, an excellent choice for serious bakers who want precision and versatility. Priced at $38.31, this scale features 2 separate platforms, one for heavier items with an 11-pound capacity and another for ultra-precise measurements up to 16 ounces. This unique dual-platform design allows you to weigh multiple ingredients simultaneously, streamlining your baking process. Saving time and effort in the kitchen, the scale boasts an award-winning design with 2 backlit LCD screens that provide clear and easy-to-read measurements for both platforms. The stainless steel surfaces are durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, making it ideal for frequent use. Its tare function is also a standout feature, zeroing out weights for accurate readings. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, the KitchenAid scale is ready to go right out of the box. And the auto shutoff feature helps conserve battery life. Pros include its dual platform design, exceptional precision, and sleek aesthetics. However, it's a bit pricier than single platform models, and its larger size might not be ideal for compact kitchens. Still, for bakers who value precision and versatility, the KitchenAid KQ909 is a fantastic investment. At number 2 is the Nicewell Food Scale, a high-capacity, beautifully designed kitchen tool that combines functionality with style. While the exact price isn't listed, this scale is a favorite among bakers who need precision and a larger weight capacity. It can measure up to an impressive 22 pounds, with increments as fine as 1 gram or 0.1 ounces, making it perfect for heavy-duty baking or larger recipes. The tempered glass and stainless steel build not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. The large 9-inch by 6.3-inch platform accommodates bigger bowls and containers, while the LCD display provides clear readouts in multiple units, including grams, kilograms, ounces, pounds, fluid ounces, and milliliters. The attached hook for storage is a thoughtful touch, adding convenience to its design. This scale is a great option for bakers who frequently work with larger quantities or need a stylish yet functional tool. Pros include its high weight capacity, sturdy construction, and versatile measurements. On the downside, it's slightly larger and heavier than other options, which might not suit everyone's kitchen space. If you want performance and style, the Nicewell Food Scale delivers. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel kitchen scale with pull-out display. Priced at $43.75, this premium scale is packed with thoughtful features that make it a joy to use. The smudge-resistant stainless steel platform is not only durable, but also easy to clean. While the pull-out display solves a common problem, no more shadowing from large bowls or plates. A large digital screen provides clear and easy-to-read measurements, and the zero-tear function makes it simple to measure multiple ingredients. The removable platform adds a layer of convenience, allowing for quick cleanup after use. The scale supports multiple units, including ounces, pounds, grams, and kilograms, with exceptional accuracy of plus or minus 1 gram or 0.1 ounce. It's powered by 4 AA apples, which are included, so it's ready to go right out of the box. The OXO scale is ideal for bakers who want precision, durability, and convenience. Pros include the pull-out display, sleek design, and reliable performance. The only real downside is the price, which is higher than other options. However, if you're serious about baking and need a scale that excels in both form and function, the OXO Good Grips kitchen scale is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect kitchen scale. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Have questions? Let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy baking!